Hey guys, I'm making a video now. I'm going to be showing y'all all my fidgets because I do have a lot of new fidgets. Like, I feel like all of them are new, but this is my fidget drawer from the outside. I'm gonna start showing them now. So let's get on with the video. I just need to do this on. My drawer on top is a little messy, and that's where I keep that's where I put my iPad on top. So yeah, I need to move all of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got a lot of new emojis. They kind of all just fell. So, hold on one second. Oh, and then I got another emoji that I got is huge. I got this emoji too. It's like really big compared to, here's the regular cat emoji compared to this. Huge. And then where's my other big one? Oh, and then here's my other jumbo emoji. And then this one is pretty big too. I love this one. It's so soft and it's glow in the dark. Those are all my emojis. I'm gonna show you all my dimples because I have a lot now. I can find them all. I think I have like 7 different dimples. Where's my other one? Oh, I traded that. Okay. I think these are all, but I have a triple dimple. I love this triple dimple. It's pretty loud. It pops really good. I love it. I don't know why. It's not even that good. But I have one of these. My hands look really fat on here. They're really not. And then I used to have 2 of these, but I traded one like a week ago. I love this simple dimple. It's really soft. Oh, and really easy to push on both sides. So I have that. I still have my classic dimple. This is my all-time favorite dimple. I love it. Love it. And then I have a dimple digits. I love this dimple digits so much. I just wish it was the on brand, not the off brand. But I'm okay with it. I just really love it. Love. Then I got a dimple fidget spinner. I love it. I've always wanted one. I wanted a dimple digit fidget spinner. I had one, but then someone stole it. So that made me really mad. But I love it. And then And last but not least, my favorite dimple thing I have, a dimple poppet I got, and I love this. As you can hear it, it's really loud. Love. Those are all my dimples. I'll show all my needles now, I guess. I put a needle in here, but I'll take it out for the video. Just, oh God, I don't know why I did this. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it in here because it's kind of like stuck. Where is my other dimple? Not dimples, what am I saying? Whoa. My next video is going to be washing my fidgets because my fidgets are disgusting. Okay. So my first needle I have is a Stardust needle. It's inside of like another stress ball thing. I don't know why I did that. Stardust needle, love it. And then I have just a regular purple needle. Nothing special about it, but I love it. It's really good. It feels exactly like my gumball needle though. Well, actually, this is like kind of harder to squish than this one, but they haven't popped yet. I also had an orange, a strawberry, and a banana needle, but my banana one popped, my strawberry one popped, and I traded my orange. This needle is popped, but I still play with it. I like know where the hole is, so I just squish. I put my hand over the hole and squish it. Love. This one's also popped. Like the holes are like the tiniest thing ever. I love this needle. It's really cute and pretty. This is my favorite needle that I have besides my purple one, but it's really dirty. It's a color changing needle. I like this more than the blue one. It's harder to squish, but it's like prettier. So those are all my needles. Now I want to do, oh, and I have a cat needle. Love this needle so much. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest of my stress balls. I'll do my mesh ones. I have an Orby mesh stress ball. Some people don't like it, but I like it. Other than the stress ball. And then I have a dough ball. What in the world? There's like red stuff on my stress balls. Also really dirty. I love this though. I have this Orby stress ball. This air stress ball. I hate this one. It's like really stupid. And like it's like so hard to squish because there's like no air. I have this stress ball, this Orby stress ball, this stress ball. Oh, and then here's another one of my mochis that I just found. Oh, and another one. This is my popping mochi actually. Work. There it goes. Yeah, so So I have this stress ball. It's homemade. I really like this one. I have 2 globbles. I used to have 6, but now I have 2. Another mochi. I feel like I have another one of these, but bigger. Those are my stress balls. And then I have this same banana. I've had this for a long time now. Now I'm gonna do all my poppets. No, I'm not. I'm gonna save that for last because I have a lot. I have 2 broken infinity cubes. I like them broken, but I have 2 of those. And then where's my other infinity cube? And this one's not broken. Ah, crap. I like this infinity cube, so yeah. I have a lot of marble mesh. Just let me get them all. I feel like I'm missing marble mesh because I have like 7 and now I only have 4. But I have this really cool one. I love this. This is my favorite marble mesh. This is my first fidgets, and I've had fidgets for like a year now. I have this marble mesh, and this one. Now I'll do all my squishies. I have a baseball squishy. I have this like face squishy. I have this cat head squishy with no eyes. This amazing, really soft, slow rising squishy. Oh, and then this squishy. Oops. I have this thing. It's not really a fidget, but it like moves. Kind of annoying. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. I have a puzzle ball. I got this actually last weekend. Someone put it in my locker at gymnastics because I wasn't here. But I got it last week. I have this snappers. I finally got one because I gave mine away. And it's the On brand. I love it. And I have this homemade tangle because I gave my tangle away. So yeah. And then I have this little thing of Mad Matter, which is kinetic sand. I have a snake. What else do I have? I have a Rubik's Cube. I have a puzzle ball, Rubik's Cube. Oh, and then I have another squishy. I have this amazing spike ball. I really like it. It feels really good. And then I don't know if I have like 3 of these. 1, 2. I think I only have 2. But I have this really bad pea popper. Can't even pop it in this one. It came in my fidget bag. It's literally amazing and it's so cute. And I love it. So I have those. Ugh. I still have this. I have this like kind of really crappy pop tube. Yeah, it's kind of bad. I have this wacky track. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know where my really, really, really good wacky track went. I don't know. I have 2 acupressure rings. Oops, that one just flew. FIDGETS are amazing. I have this really good bike chain. I have no clue why I said bike track. This Ligue. Oopsies, I just messed it all up. Wait. I fixed it. Okay, so I have that. Now I just have like these magnets. I don't know why, but I do. Kinetic sand, not bring that out, it's really messy. I have a Shishimbo. I love it. I need a new one. I love Shishimbo so much. I have a Shishimbo, okay. And then I just have this thing that I made with like beads. Last but not least, I have poppets. I'm going to show my mini poppets first. I have 3. I had 5, but then gave 2 away. So this one I don't really care for. It's just a gaming one. And the bubbles are so far apart. Like, that's just why I don't really like it. And it just kind of gets boring, this one. I have this one. I love this one. I got it out of my fidget pack. It's kind of hard to press, but that's why I love it. But listen. Then this one I got from Walgreens. It's really loud. Love this one. Okay, those are my mini poppets. Now for my big ones. Oh, I guess you can count this one as a mini one. It's really small. It's like not even the size of my hand. But it's gotten way better since I got it. I showed it in a fidget haul with my friend Reese. We went to Five Below, Pop Shelf, all these stores. We went fidget hunting. But yeah, this is a really good poppet. I love it. I also love this poppet. Just wait for the loud sign. I love this poppet. Then I have this one. It came in my fidget pack. The bad side's like actually really terrible, and the bubbles are so small. But wait till it gets to the good side. Like, I love this poppet because of the good side. The bubbles get way bigger too. Love it. Poppet. Then I have this poppet too. I got from my fidget pack. I love it because it's really easy to pop on both sides. Love. Now I have this circle poppet. It's really good too. Good. Amazing. Love. Adore. Yes. Queens. Now this crab poppet. Oh my gosh. So cute. Love that one. My last poppet. Well, no, I have one more, but you have to wait and see because that one's literally amazing. This one is a rainbow poppet. It's really cute. The pops are really good on the good side. Love it. Now for the grand finale. Dun 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 dun. Jumbo Poppet compared to a regular Poppet. They scammed me for 256. I was supposed to get 400, but they gave me 256, which makes me mad. But I'm going to be making a really cool video about this, so stay tuned. I'm going to end the video here. Make sure to like, oh my gosh, like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And comment down below if you have any intro ideas, because I kind of need some ideas. So yeah, bye.